Hi everyone, I'm Siyad Maalim from SOMA Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to use or apply the laws of sines, also called Sine Rule. Before I get started, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. That way, when I release new content, you will get notified. Okay, let's get started. Before we apply the Sine Rule, make sure the triangle you have is not a right angle triangle. If this is the case, then you have to use Pythagoras theorem. You can find a link in the description below. Say we have a triangle A, B, and C, where we have the side opposite to angle A is A, and the side opposite to angle B here is B, and the side opposite to angle C is C. Okay, the law of sine, or the sine rule, states that side A divided by sine of angle A is equal to side B divided by sine of angle B, which is also equal to side C divided by sine of angle C. So in order to use this formula, as I said previously, you have to make sure that the triangle is not a right angle triangle. Okay, let's start with an example. Say we have a triangle A, B, and C, where angle A is 60 degrees and angle B here is 75 degrees. We have side A as 10. So in order to find, what we have to do here in this case is we have to find side A, side C, side B, and angle C. First step is let's find angle C. Okay, what you have to know that the sum of all the angles A plus B plus C must always be equal to 180 degrees in a right angle triangle. Okay, so we have A as 60 degrees plus B, which is 75 degrees, plus C, which we don't have, is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so when you add these two, what do you get? You get 135 degrees plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, C is equal to, subtract 135 from both sides. C would be equal to 45 degrees. So that is the first step. We have that angle. So in order to find side B, we have to use the ratio. Of A divided by sine A is equal to B divided by sine B. This is also equal to C over sine C, but in order to find B, we just need to use these two. Okay, so A is 10 divided by sine of angle 60 degrees is equal to B, which is what we are looking for, divided by sine of 75 degrees. Okay, so let's cross multiply. This will give me 10 multiplied by sine 75 degrees is equal to B multiplied by sine 60 degrees. In order to find B, we divide both sides by sine 60 degrees here, and then here sine 60 degrees. These two will cancel. Therefore, B is equal to 10 multiplied by, what is use your calculator to find sine of angle 75. That will be 0.96593 divided by, what is the angle? What is sine 60? Sine 60, if you use your calculator, you get 0.86602. And so when you multiply 10 times 0.96593 and divide by this, you get B as 11.15 approximately. So that is the value for B, 11.15. Okay, whichever the unit is. So what is left? We are left with side C. So in order to find side C, we also again use the same ratio. Okay, let's use the same ratio. A divided by sine A is equal to C over sine C. And you also delete this part. Okay. So what is A? A is 10 sine of 60 degree is equal to, what is our C? That's what we are looking for, divided by sine of 45 degree. Same thing, cross multiply. So that will give me 10 multiplied by sine 45 degree is equal to C multiplied by sine 60. And so what you have to do is you divide sine 60 on both sides. Okay, so these two will cancel. You are left with C is equal to 10 sine 45 degree divided by sine 60, which is equal to, when you find sine 10 multiplied by, what is sine 45? When you plug that in your calculator, sine 45 is 0.7071 divided by sine 60, which is 0.86602. Okay, so when you multiply that and then divide by that, you get C as 8.165, okay, or 8.2. So we found 8.2 roughly. Let us do another example using the sine rule. Okay, so we have angle A as 38 degree. We have side B is 9. We have side A is 12. We don't have side C. We don't have angle C. We also don't have angle B. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, we have to first find one of the angles, the other two angles. We cannot find angle C because we don't have side C, but we do have side B, so we can find angle B. We have two angle. We have angle A and side A, so we can use that ratio. Okay, so we said A divided by sine A is equal to B divided by sine B, which is also equal to C sine C. But we can't use this one because we don't have any of those two. So let's use the first two. Okay, what is A? A is 12. What is sine? Angle A is 38 degrees, so that is 12 divided by sine 38 gives me B, which is 9. B divided by sine B, which is what we are looking for. So cross multiplication. So this gives me 9 multiplied by sine 38 degree is equal to 12 multiplied by sine B. In order to find sine B, we divide both sides by 12. So this cancels. So what I have is sine B is equal to 9 multiplied by, what is angle of sine 38. What is sine 38? Sine 38, if you put that in your calculator, you will have 0.1566 and then divided by 12. Okay, so when you multiply 9 times this 0.6155, what you will get is 5.5409. okay, so when you divide that by 12, what you will find is sinB. Okay, let me just do that again. Okay, sinB is equal to 0.0461714. But in order to get the exact angle value, the value of B, we have to find arcsine of 0.46174. okay, so what does that give me? You use your sine inverse of this. What is sine inverse of that? That will give me, when you put that in your calculator, you will find that here this angle is roughly 28 degrees. Okay, so that will give you 28 degrees. So once we have angle B and we also have angle A, we can find angle C. In order to find that the sum of the three angles is 180. So 180 minus 38 degree minus 28 will give me 114. So angle C is 114 degree. In order to find C, which is the side that is left, we have to use the ratio again. Okay, so the ratio is such that A divided by sine A is equal to C divided by sine C. I could put B in between these two, but that is like all I need right now is to find C. I already have this angle, I have this angle, that angle, so I'll just use these two to solve for C. Okay, so A is 12 divided by sine A, which is 38 degree, is equal to C divided by sine of 114. Okay, so similarly you cross multiply, what you will have is 12 sine of 114 is equal to C multiplied by sine 38 degree. In order to find C, so I divide both sides by sine 38. Sine 38 degree. These two will cancel. So what is sine 114 when you put that in your calculator? What do you get? Okay, so sine of 114 is 0.91355. Okay, 0.913. That is sine of 114. So multiply that by 12, 0.1355, and then divided by sine of 38 is 0.61566. So when you divide that, it will give you C, which is equal to, therefore C is 17.80. okay, so that is how you find C. I hope this was helpful. I'll stop it there for today. Please do not forget to subscribe, and thank you.